Want to burn fat while you sleep? These 5 metabolism-boosting smoothie bowls are delicious, science-backed, and dietitian-approved. Stick around because your breakfast is about to transform your metabolism. Here's why these bowls actually work. Ingredients like ginger can increase calorie burn by up to 15%. Greek yogurt isn't just creamy, it's packed with protein that keeps you full and fuels fat burning. And spinach? It's loaded with iron and antioxidants that help your body process energy more efficiently. Let's start with the base. 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and half a cup of Greek yogurt. Chop, blend, pour, done. This creamy base is the foundation for all 5 bowls. Packed with spinach and avocado, this green goddess bowl is rich in fiber and healthy fats. Pro tip: add half a scoop of protein powder to stay fuller for longer. Berry Blast is loaded with antioxidants and omega-3s from chia seeds. Sweet, tangy, and perfect for a fat-burning breakfast. Sunshine in a bowl. Pineapple and mango give natural sweetness, while ginger fires up your metabolism. Chocolate lovers, this one's for you. Cacao and oats boost energy, while almond butter adds healthy fats to keep cravings away. Cozy and satisfying, vanilla spice combines protein and slow-digesting oats. Cinnamon even helps regulate blood sugar. There you have it, 5 fat-burning breakfast smoothie bowls that actually boost metabolism fast. Which one will you try first? Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if you love healthy recipes, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips.